Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another video. This one is a Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Amber. I've already taken a sneak peek at her little card just to make sure I knew where everything was going. Look how pretty this card is. It's so cool. Like, she's got little stars, so she's used mica powders or mica sprays, but she's also used some kind of glitter paste or sickles and made little stars. It's really cool. It's really cool. I love it. Just says thank you for hosting, Amber. So these two have my name on them, so I'm going to open these up. We'll open this first because it looks easy. Oh, this is a really cool little file folder, like a little pocket to put stuff in. Oh, I love the ugly witch. Well, she's not ugly. She's just an old witch, but that's okay. I like stuff like that. And then we have a little box of little bits. I will link all of Amber's information down below. So we have wood veneer, we have stickers, and then we have little ephemera pieces. And then we have this guy. Let me open this real quick. Okay, so we have this cool little coffin box. She's got this little tag, and here's all of her information. Down here, she does have YouTube and an Etsy, so make sure you give her some crafty love. I will link everything down below. And we have just this is a neat little coffin box. Oh, what do we have in here? A little tag flip-ish. It's got a little mummy in there. So we have a little hocus pocus little banner flag. Cute. Excuse me, got the hiccups. I like how she's like layered it up, but like offset it. It gives it a really cool effect. And I don't know if I've seen anybody do that yet. Isn't that neat? And then we have a little sequin mix in here. I see all kinds of stuff, little kitties, fun stuff. And this is a little book. See? Little like coffin, like traveler's notebook. It's got little pockets with little tags. It's got like a little ephemera pieces. Oh, I love, she's used like a stamp in it. This is embossed with embossing powder. So cool. We have a little flip with like a little journaling area. This is really cute. This would be cute inside even a bigger album. Like just so many little flips. This is a really cute idea. I really like this. We have a little belly band page. Another little pocket with little ephemera pieces in, little journal tags. Oh, I missed a page. Yeah, okay. Then we have this little tuck spot. A little tuck spot over, I don't know, it just looks like it because of the book. This is a really cool and very pretty. I really like this. This is, if you know me, I like a good like little traveler's notebook, folio. Like, I don't know why. I'm just like addicted to them. So this is perfect. I really, really like that. Thank you so much, Amber, for thinking of me. All right, now this is her swap. So she's just got it in this bag, the sack, but she's decorated it. She's got like pops of ephemera. She's got some creepy cloth. She's got some glitter tulle. It's got a little bit of everything in there. And I like that because it's easy to take out too. So here are her little shakers, or like little like spooky drink shakers. I really like how she's layered up the drip. And she's got like some dimension here. So I don't know if it's like puffy, like puff paint with like sickles on top. But they're really cute. So cute. She's also got a layered like rosette tag in here. Spooky. And this is her embellishment box. I like this. I like this. I have this vellum too, and it's so cool. And she's even got a little ribbon around it. So open her up. Oh, neat. So she's put a little pocket in here. So she's got little ephemera pieces in here for you as well. Let me take this out. So she's got a Memdex card. And it does have all of her information on the back. And then she's got one of those little flags, the Chaos Craft flags. She's got some stickers in here, and then she's got, I don't want to, this, come on, it's tucked in here, this little graveyard die cut as well. Very, very cool. I'm gonna make sure I get everything back in. All right, so in here, oh, she's got a little jar that luckily I caught it. So the little things have come, the little corks have come out, but she's got like little beads in here. Here's another one. So some of the beads that were in the jars are gonna be in the hole, which is okay. And then she's got some other beads in here. So yeah, a lot of these little guys go in these jars, but you know, it is what it is. It's okay. It's okay. Just stick those back in there. I might have to finagle these a little bit. I love these little jars. They're so cute, but the corks never want to stay in. So, and then in this one, she's got some sequins. We have to move one over there. And then in this one, we have some charms. So there's all kinds of charms in here. Oh, look at these kitty charms. Those are cool. There's witch hats. There's brooms. Love the cats. And then there's like a skeleton. So all kinds of fun little charms. And then she's also got like the little shaker ball charms as well. They've got like little sequins in them, and these ones got little gemmies in them. She's got bones over here. And then this one, she's got buttons and wood beads. All different types of buttons. Ooh, look at this one. That one's cool looking. I'm a sucker for buttons. I have like an old lady button tin, like passed down from my grandma. It's like a cookie tin that's got just all kinds of buttons in them. She's got a clay bit mix in here. Good size bag. She's got some different googly eyes in here. I don't know if I've ever seen blue googly eyes. Those are cool. So all different sizes. She's got little ribbon strips in here. So these are perfect to like add to top of like bag toppers, or if you're doing any kind of like ruffly things. And then this is a bigger piece, but this is a good little addition. I haven't seen anything like this. And then she's got trim samples over here. So we have a sequin trim like strip, like a glittery silver rickrack, and then this is green dots that are glitter, and then we have this like little orange gingham. Oh, there's one of those little beads. This is really, really neat. And then down here we have all different types of candies and little flatback, Halloween flatbacks, witches, all kinds of stuff. And then we have, you know, our standard knives and axes over here. Nice and bloody and gory. I like those. And then over here we have stickers and die cuts and ephemera pieces, just all kinds of stuff. There's words in here, like sentiments. I don't want to make a mess of it, but there's boo, there's tombstones, there's skeletons, there's little ghosts, all kinds of good stuff in here. All right, I'm gonna have to finagle this a little bit before I just close it. So thank you, Amber, for joining one of my swaps. Make sure you give Amber some crafty love down below. Check out her Etsy shop, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.